Hello, everybody. It's Dr. Toker. I'm going to have to make a very sincere confession. I used to be an organic naysayer. No, it's true. It's true. I didn't really understand the point. In life, anything that's carbon-based technically is organic. So I don't think I understood the point of organic versus not organic. Because to me, it's all a carbon-based life form. I get it. I missed the point. Totally missed the point. The point of organic labeling is supposed to mean the organism you are about to consume as your food has not been genetically modified. They've not had any chemicals, man-made chemicals put on them. And then basically, healthy soil, a seed, light, time, grace of God, you got yourself a piece of fruit or vegetable, or good grass that your cow has grazed on, and now you're going to have a yummy steak. That is what organic was supposed to mean. And unfortunately, with all things in labeling, big companies looking to make a profit have figured out their way around the labeling thing. So it may not be enough in the modern era to just see the word organic. You kind of still have to read for things like grass, raised, pasture, fed, free range, no hormones, no pesticides, no chemicals, whatever. Read those things. You may want to look for the little butterfly label that says non-GMO, and GMO means genetically modified organism. And so that's kind of what the labeling is supposed to mean. Why is that important? Well, from a pesticide, herbicide type standpoint, these chemicals are almost impossible to get off of the vegetable in question or the fruit in question, especially nuts. Anything that's oil-based is going to absorb these things very avidly. Animals grazing out in the field are going to incorporate these chemicals into their bodies, their flesh that we wind up eating, or the milk that we wind up drinking. And so these foreign chemicals on our food supply represent a danger to our health because they impede the chemical processes in our bodies. They mimic hormonal regulation in our bodies. They also destroy the intestinal lining and the bacteria on the intestinal lining. And those things are critical to us for the absorption of micronutrients. Micronutrients are also what are getting stripped from us when you eat a tomato that's like this big. And you know the ones I'm talking about because they're almost plastic looking. They don't look right. They don't look perfectly red. They look almost plastic. And they're genetically modified. You pump them full of all kinds of fertilizer and whatnot to make that thing grow fast, make it grow big so it looks healthy. There are fewer nutrients in that giant tomato than there is in a teeny tiny organic cherry tomato. Right? In life, it's all about quality over quantity. That's true any time. My engagement ring, it's quality, baby. So I don't care how big your ring is. It's the quality that counts, right? So we want quality, not quantity. One of the reasons we are all trending towards overeating is because there's so little quality in our food. Our bodies are telling us that we are still hungry. We are missing something. And so when you eat organic foods, you read the labels and you make sure this is as healthy as it can be with the fewest chemicals as humanly possible, you are getting more nutrition from that. It is also why I partner with Standard Process, which is a company out of Minnesota. They've owned their farm for over 100 years. It's all organically grown and has been. They rotate their crops. They take very good care of their soil. They actually respect the Sabbath of the earth, which in biblical terms is extremely important, you have got to let the land rest in the same way that you let yourself rest once a week. It has to happen. And so you want whole food supplements from places like that instead of going to the store and just getting a random vitamin off the shelf. You're spending lots of money on vitamins and lots of money on supplements, and most of those things come from a chemistry lab. Your body does not recognize these molecules when they travel alone. These molecules have to travel with another molecule that your body recognizes, right? So like if you're anemic, you can't just take iron. You have to take iron and vitamin C because your body recognizes the vitamin C, absorbs the vitamin C, and the iron comes along with it. That's what happens in whole food nutrition. These micronutrients are bound to actual molecules that your body recognizes. That is what is missing in regular food, non-organic food. And it's starting to kind of be at a limited supply, even in organic food supply. So I highly suggest a whole food supplement. There's a list that I suggest for my patients in particular in regards to this context for organic foods, as well as another lecture that I've given on trace minerals. It's these trace minerals that your body really needs. And you can get that through a whole food supplement. And Standard Process has that. It's called Trace Minerals B12. You know, you'll contact the company. They'll send it to you. Every patient that signs up for our weight loss program or belongs to our spa or even my medical practice has access to my medical license at Standard Process and can order the supplements that they want. So come join our spa, join our VIP program. We have a VIP program. Yeah, that's right. The spa has a VIP program. You can just sign up. You can get little alerts through that program. Your first service is $25 off. When we have sales, you're the first to know about it. But also, if you are part of our spa, all you have to do is ask, you're interested in Standard Process. We send you the patient direct access code so that you could just log on to Standard Process anytime you want to and buy it yourself. Oddly enough, the average person cannot do this, and you'll never find it in a store. You can only find this stuff in doctors' offices or nutritionists or chiropractors. Well, they're like this hybrid between doctors and nutritionists, these chiropractors. But anyway, so feel free. Join. Anyway, if you want to have more sort of free health tips, access to those, please do sign up for our YouTube channel, hit the subscribe, and not only that, the notification. That way, every time I post one of these little 5-minute videos, or I guess this one's getting longer than 5 minutes. I'm a talker. You'll have access. It's free information for the public purview. Some of what I say may find interesting to you. You might want to join our weight loss program. And if you do, that's fine. It's fantastic. I'll talk you through the whole process. It's not a big deal. You'll see me a lot. You can go to our website, scandymedspa.com. Sign up for our VIP there. Read through all the offerings that we have at the spa. And every now and then I'll put out a email newsletter from time to time when I have the time to do it. And sign up for our newsletter. That'd be fantastic. All right. So hope to see you soon. And eat organic. I never thought 10 years ago to laugh at you if you said I'd be advocating that. But here I am. All right. Enjoy. Bye.